Here are three simple MCQs. We have to choose the correct answer. And these MCQs are related to chemistry of phosphorus and also hydrogen peroxide. The first question is the product formed in the reaction of SOCl2 with white phosphorus is. Four options are given, and which will be the correct product? We have to just find out. Accordingly, we need to write the reaction of phosphorus, white phosphorus, with thionyl chloride. SOCl2 is known as thionyl chloride. Now, we know that white phosphorus is quite reactive phosphorus. It is an allotropic form of phosphorus which has a tetrahedral structure in the solid state, having four lone pairs of electron, and therefore is quite reactive. And we need to write the reaction of white phosphorus in the solid state with thionyl chloride forms PCl3, that is phosphorus trichloride, in the liquid state. So the correct answer is option A here. Next question. The other question is related to another type of chloride of sulfur, and that is known as sulfuryl chloride. Sulfuryl chloride reacts with, again, white phosphorus to form. Four options are given. Each option has got two or three products given here, and we have to find out which one will represent the correct products. Now, accordingly, as usual, we need to write the reaction. Thionyl chloride reacts with white phosphorus. Of course, this is liquid and this is phosphorus P4 is solid. You get PCl5, phosphorus pentachloride, and also sulfur dioxide. Accordingly, we have to mark option A as the correct option. And as we know, just now I have mentioned that white phosphorus has got a tetragonal structure with bond angle of 60 degrees. And four lone pairs of electrons are there. It's very reactive, showing different reactions. And this is an important reaction of sulfuryl chloride and thionyl chloride differently. Now, there is another question which relates to hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide, in its reaction with KiO4 and NH2OH respectively, is acting as a, four options are given. We have to find out whether it is reducing agent or oxidizing agent in different reactions, and accordingly we have to mark the correct answer. We know that KiO4 is potassium periodate and NH2OH is known as hydroxylamine. And this is also known to us that hydrogen peroxide is a very good oxidizing agent, but simultaneously it acts as a reducing agent also. Therefore, we need to write the correct equation with reaction showing KiO4 and hydrogen peroxide. And KiO4 we find here that potassium periodate, when reacts with hydrogen peroxide, is changed to potassium iodate. So what has happened here? The oxidation state of iodine here has decreased, and therefore it has acted as a reducing agent. If you look at the reaction with NH2OH, here we find that NH2O is, when reacts with hydrogen peroxide, forms nitric acid, and the oxidation state of nitrogen in nitric acid is +5, whereas in NH2OH is +3, and therefore there is an increase in oxidation state, and it has acted as an oxidizing agent. So thus it can be easily inferred that hydrogen peroxide is acting as a reducing and oxidizing agent in the given reactions respectively. Accordingly, the correct answer is option A here, and all other options are not applicable over here. Okay, thank you. This has been a very good reaction in inorganic chemistry and is a PYQ in earlier examinations.